Bad news, my music room flooded. Good news, we're gonna rebuild it. I had an irrigation pipe that busted. Water came all through the room. The carpet is sopping wet. The water's starting to go up the walls, and it smells terrible, full of mold. Well, I've taken everything out. All the instruments survived, luckily, and the first step is ripping out the carpet. And would you look at that? Beneath this 1990s carpet is some 1970s carpet. Awesome! This carpet is heavy. I can't get it out the door. Well, it's time to get rid of this 70s glory. Beautiful orange, yellow, and brown. Bye-bye. This carpet had a foam layer underneath it that just turned into dirt and mud, but enough of it stuck to the floor to make it a little difficult to get out. Well, now it's time to peel off these plywood walls and see what's going on behind them. Well, there's some insulation back there. It's in okay shape, not covered with mold. Got to measure so we know what to look for, and then off to the Home Depot.
Gloves, no more splinters.
We're going to redo those walls with a 1/2-inch drywall. Time to get it all off. Got some old plastic trim that's stuck on there pretty good. We're also going to rebuild this window frame. Never was very good, always some gaps. And we'll put an air conditioner in there. We had this bottom sill screwed to a big post that kind of helped keep the air conditioner upright. Forgot to take it off. So out it goes. Now we're gonna break up all of this plywood siding so it's easier to just throw right away. For now, I'm just gonna screw up a little board to cover this hole so the animals can't run in. Well, we've got all the demolition done. Next week, we're gonna start working on that window frame. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.